Welcome to Map Navigation for Beginners. Whether you're exploring a new city, hiking a trail, or just trying to find the nearest coffee shop, knowing how to read a map is one of the most useful skills you can have. In this video, we'll cover the basics of reading both paper maps and phone maps, with a special focus on street-level navigation, so you can get around with confidence. Let's start with paper maps. Every map has a few key parts you need to understand. First, the title tells you what area the map covers. The legend, usually in a corner, explains what all the symbols mean. A blue line might be a river, a green area a park, and a dashed line a trail. The scale bar shows you the relationship between distance on the map and distance in real life. And finally, the compass rose shows you which way is north. On most maps, north is at the top, but always check the compass rose to be sure. Before you can navigate with a paper map, you need to orient it, which means lining the map up with the real world. You can do this by finding north on the map using the compass rose, then turning the map so north on the map matches north in reality. Look around for landmarks like tall buildings, towers, or mountains that you can see both on the map and in front of you. Once those line up, your map is oriented and much easier to read. Now let's zoom in to street-level navigation on paper. First, find your starting point. Look for street names, parks, or buildings you recognize. Many street maps use a grid system with letters for columns and numbers for rows, making it easy to give someone a reference like B4. To plan your route, trace the streets from where you are to where you want to go. Note the direction of each turn and count the number of blocks. It's also smart to look for obvious landmarks along the way, like a library or a large store, so you know you're on track. Phone maps use the same basic ideas, but your phone does a lot of the work for you. When you open your map app, you'll see a blue dot. That dot is you, thanks to GPS. As you move, the dot moves with you. You can search for destinations by name or address. The map automatically orients itself based on which direction you're facing, though you can lock it to north up if you prefer. Pinch to zoom out for the big picture, or spread to zoom in for street-level detail. For street-level navigation on your phone, nothing beats turn-by-turn directions. After you enter your destination, the app calculates the best route and guides you step by step. You'll see a blue line following the streets, and the app will tell you when to turn and what street names to look for. Pay attention to the distance countdown before each turn. If you miss a turn, don't worry. The app will automatically recalculate a new route. For walking, keep the phone at a comfortable angle and glance at it briefly, keeping most of your attention on your surroundings. Here are some final tips that apply to both paper and phone maps. Always have a backup. If your phone dies, a paper map or screenshot of your route can save you. Download offline maps before heading somewhere with poor signal. On paper maps, use a highlighter or pen to mark your route. On phone maps, drop a pin at your parking spot or hotel so you can always find your way back. And most importantly, use landmarks to confirm you're where you think you are. A map is only helpful if you connect it to the real world. That's it! You now know the essentials of map navigation. Grab a map, pick a destination, and start exploring. Happy navigating!